Anjaba kakomao yashanjira mu mibiri still ni babasa yambisa umulingo gw'omutano kusinga mulingo gwaki ogwa yambisa ubwo akazimba kakadyumweko
Sunday
tubisisiya umurinyankore nkaba nincura tata nimanyangu utinkigaruka kumureba kandi nimwebaza abashija bankora bingi bakumanya kwata berere bakumanya kuguma mbana nabahera hariye beragiro bateka ngo kubana n'abana munonga abana baboje ngo wamutesta ngo wamuce kifa mutuma pana rukundo neyombe kaje okukwata umwana nukumuta mu confidence.
Orwa kabiri
kongera umutindo aha kintu cyona eco inafamu yawe oba no kurisa oba no kuhinga n'ekintu cyakubasa kongera entasya kandi kikongera akasento mu nshako yawe mwene rwa kabiroro ntuza kuba twine Madam Charity hari kutushoborera aha kuri sente za zero grazing hamwe no kwabase kongera umutindo amatege akagakora mu yogurt
abatakarisize mushohore mukorere saa kimwe buze abandi babasize bata kana abatakiteka tekaho mustandike abo kuba omu business omu farming there is life. Highest milk gas 33 liters a day. The lowest is gas 12 a day. Akwa nisbani zijira kugera ki kwisa so oshanga uri kuhinga ibinyasi ibicoro kahinga kozikorera daire miru oshanga toka spendingira nyinji hanji
otaferwa muzano wa kuchiroro kurugomba Kigazi Universal Actors burka eine bizibu konga shi wabigonjorota
yabana bakwana nire kabandi
bitu obwatuma mutabano wawe ngo ashishe fike yabangi
niyo ko maro tasisiro wanje iyo maro tasisiro
yakurire shano
hasa ninga okuna tore niyo ko nakufwa
toka reba kana twina bakazi babiri mimi
nasigo munju yawe nkeji nentebe zirumu ori kuri mbutebe
abandi bina bakazi 8 bari
Omurebi bitu wa TVS Murungi tokutangera osibire kurungi eshaha neza makuru agacencwire ibiri zecuro Elias Ritugusa hamwe na Lois Gava agutakurundana rizoberi nitutwijaga kusyaho okurga aha kashozi boma umurembo urwambara irizuba nizuba rya Sunday ebiro bibiri ebyo kwezi kwa munana umwaka gw'2026 katamye ngwizoberi byabatamborera kurunzi reka tuboreke ebikore byije bgebembire rero na bwanyuma twija kusema kurombo ijwire
emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho
Global Paints mutia kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate munda ne tukosa Global Silk Vinyl singa kwetaga wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion kusiga je musiga ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zone.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
gacencwire kireki abagore 59 bagitwa mukono gumwe omurika nungu abashabo bashatu birwa reryaho imarifaro bakomerwe ahabwo kushabesha tugace mitwara 35 okora CT scan
dahe mukani nyaragira security ya hairwaro hano aba UPDF aba bagenda sente zo bazibayihaho
aba Red Cross bombe chire mpunja mizigarwe cunda agarukuza kuhwera abantu abari kuhinguro metwari 15 muri Sinziro emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho
Global Paints mutia kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate munda ne tukosa Global Silk Vinyl singa kwetaga wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion kusiga je musiga ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Kari ntongera kutangira omakuru gitagacencwire Elias Ritugusa hamwe na Lois Gava nitaturukwijaga kusyaho agecirekire gatandike na nabashabo bashatu abirwaro erukure rya Hoima Regional Referral bari omunkoma ya polisi ya Hoima bwanyuma yo komwa ahabwo kituga ekyemtwaro 35 okora CT scan.
abashaho bashatu birware rya Hoima Regional Referral Hospital baryo mu nkomo ya police kandi barimo Brenda Katwesije ow'emyaka 39 y'obukuru orukora mu CT scan Julius Kasada ow'emyaka 54 orukuchebera endwara na Aran Basaija ow'emyaka 26 obire nashomo bushaho abo kwija komwa kizireho bwanyuma yo kushabana muyambi na yiya ow'emyaka 4 emitwara 35 barokumuyamba kukora scan aha mwana we ow'emyaka 17 owiyaresero mwirwa reri aino buzobu bwo munda
babanze bamusaba sente kumuya umusahi kandi bwahikire mu radiography kumukora CT scan bamusaba emitwaro 30 bwamazire kuzisasura kuba nendo bujanje biyeterere nduru yanterere simu yansaba mbitahe mukani nyaragira security ya hairwaro hano aba UPDF aba bagenda sente zo bazibayihaho kandi tubakwasize polisi kubone koro umurimo gwayo
bwanyuma y'abakwatwa Badru Mugabi or RCC worembo rwa Hoima nagirangwe cyoma echa CT scan cyo kushashurira kandi ajumirire kikorwa ekikozerwa abashahaba
ofisi ya RCC ikarekingwire kandi twina na security hano hageti y'irwaro umuntu we nanyagirwe rundi arabizibwe kubi nikusabo je weterere nduru mu ofisi yange rundi gende ha police rundi ha security gate hano ha entrance amuryango gukutahamu weterere nduru tujya kuba twirukira kandi tujya kuba ntugaruka mu muranga gwawe niturwanisa oburi bwenguzi kubona mu mulingo gwona
ababentu benda kumurabya musikani ibirabire na mwenda bamuzize ngo mwana ine kuraba musikani bamusaba imitwara 35 ngo mwana babanza kumuhereza bamuravye musikani so ko twatungira information abo byo kwirinda barukora irwariro na police ba photocopyingaho imitwara 3 note z'emitwara 5 bazerezo muzi tutazabakwata nazo.
Bitwe Dr. Ibrahim Bwaga urukurirwa reri nagira ngo kukora CT scan abantu bine kushashura sente omu URA kandi sente zirya hagati y'emitwari 12 na 17 ezatirwa h'ekitongore eky'ebyamagara.
Even today, if you come, we shall tell you that the CT scan is to be paid for. But you pay to URA. In private wing, again, I'm maintaining, no staff is allowed to touch money. The CT scan is to be paid for. That one is known, even by the Ministry of Health.
How much?
120,000. Then the one with contrast is 170. URA is the authorized collector of funds in private wing. So no staff in the radiology unit should ask you to give him money directly. But if they tell you you go and pay in private wing, that is the standard operation procedure. But even when you have come from the village and they tell you, you go to the other building in private wing, you'll pay there and you get a receipt, then you come and we do the CT scan. Even the villager will understand.
Esabite huire TV West kakore kabebembezi bahamize kwa bakazo mwihanga nibafa munonga barukuzara ahabwo butabafaho wabo tatire yo sente gasha kwa Ambrose nuwagaba katoto
webare Ambrose nuwagaba katoto reka tugumuze mu namakuru abashaho b'amatungo hamwe na nabashaho abibyamagara mu district ya Kyegegwa bawurekero kwerarikera ahabwembwa ezugumize mu zurukuruma abantu ekiretire bamwe no kuferwa amagara gabo abwenshongezi aba batongwizeho ehururu eyabusha eyo kujemembwa hamwe na zakapa okwetorora district ya Kyegegwa
okutongoza okukorirwa hambuga nkuru za district kandi ibintu bishajikwa University ya Makerere, University ya Ban hamwe na University ya Zurich. Ensiyona neferwa abantu barukurenga emitwaro 5 buri mwaka ahabwiraro ryembwa erukumanywa nka rabies kandi district ya Kyegegwa ekaferwa abantu barukwiki 12 omwaka gw'ebyesento guhwire.
Uturaba tukimanyira ngo nyuma haho mu Cyaka North tukazikaho umwana kandi nyuma tukazikaho umwana wone kubangani abo bana babiri Cyaka tutu akazika abana bakikaka babiri Said za Kishagazi tukazikayo umwana myaka itahimbira myaka 3 abo bana batanu kandi abantu bakuribwemba nabo hakire mu mwezi gumu obakurupotinga of course abagenda bataripotingire nosanga tukora cases kuhimbura abantu bakuribwemba.
So what is being done as a district, one health team was formed and it meets, though it meets, its meetings are irregular. And currently now we are training VHTs and have now prioritized the rabies to be a point of talking. We are training all the VHTs. By the end of next week we shall have finished all the 1,457 VHTs.
Okurugirira abashaho omuntu yarumwembwa kirukandizwa mu irwaro na mnongeri ya government ucerkare natambirwa
baitu oburwire bwembwa tubakubere nibita muntu nombo kakuba abantu bakubere bamanyire kakuba omuntu aliri bwembwa katwara mu irwaro rwanda kutera vaccine omuntu obunatuma chances so kira.
Once a person has been bitten by a rabid dog and you take time to report and you develop clinical signs, it is a visa, a straightforward visa to death.
Uganda egisira hansi yo muhuru yo kurwanisira ryembwa obutarenga mwaka gw'2023
semenire kukimanyi twe nambere tuli ngwemba hona mbere oragiro ne inzoka kandi inzoka zayo niskwata n'abantu nobuka obukwara kususuwayo ngomurahugo mugwenyo ngomurahura ekukuni ebibuka byona n'ubwero bususu kukwata abantu so opikana embwa zina shampoos runde sabuni ezitukozesa okurora twazotya kandi zina nembazi yenjoka ezitugabira ibyuma kutugabira ibisoro byetu ebindi so utukoma twikana nembwa zaitu maka tulengeho muno kuzikora byonjo ndi tweta hygiene.
Embwa zine ndwara ezindi zikuretwa oburofa kandi abantu bareberwe na za kapa hamwe n'embwa zabo bizire kuzijemesa basima government ahabwo kubajemera ahabwa busha kandi abebembezi bacireho uregi
zitaruma abantu kurora abantu basobora kuba kubyo bakora kuzitasa
And I hope if we continue all together putting efforts together, we shall fight rabies in our district. Sincerely, thank you so much, and continue rolling those other districts.
Chegegwa neteberezwa kubera umwembwa z'urukurenga kashanje na bitano konke nyinja hariyezi nizitura zirukuzerera kandi kiriye cyakava kahango amakuraga gashakwa Philip Marangira
webare Philip Murangira nanye eshayone yanje nja kujemesa reka tugumuzemu ubwa hati umukikuru rukumanywa nka Goroti Mbahamire aine myaka nshanje nebiri yo bukuru n'umutura wa Buhunga umu district ya Rukunzuri ashobanzirirwe kandi narondana n'ubuhwezo bwa sente miliyoni 10 okuza kushemezo mutabani Richard Akanyuka owatunzire butandu kandi agahendekana n'igufu
umukikuru guno mutabani tubashangira mu irwariro rya Nyakibale bashobangirirwe kandi Goreti Mbahamire ori nyina w'umusigazogu nagira ngo nibetenga miliyoni 10 kureba ngo igufa ryo mutabani tiyaterera nkonke kizibu tubazine
bazagatamu ebyoma bagahanike bamboneze kubahereze kungambira echo nyona kwesazi nabwo cyo gukora hasi ibiyigwe nese hati omukuza kungambira bazengu ucyabache miliyoni 10 no kurenga nyotine chinkora ndya haso banjiribwe nindura ganga kom no murwiro wonyene tayine cyo kurya nanye tinyine cyo kurya
nafunire butandu nafunda bazarakisa banya muhanda shimwe rwa rege Nyakibale kiza mutega mu kireyo kasanga bamwe basagatire takumanya wundi mbere y'indumu indeba n'inyembeni ndebera komuka ndamukade yasobangirirwe
Rema Felix Adrico oguno mushaho kurugo mu irwariro rya Nyakibale ahamize ngo musigazogu bakamuretero mu mberambi kandi n'amazimi gufanira yo kushemezibwa.
What we are going to do for him now, which is a cheaper option, to make him at least get some relief, the swelling to go down, for him not to get infection in the bones. We are going to take him in, do just an emergency surgery. It's not the main treatment method, but it will help at least to reduce the swelling, prevent infection.
Tinyine buyambugona, tinyine chokora, no kuryanka komorwa mukaga tinkarire, necha tinkarire. Abo mwana wanje ogwino wembensigize kwenka.
Omuntu weno wakuba inobuhwezi nabasa kuburabiza namba yesimu ya 0713 nkaga nemwe 86 92 kandi egeryo mu mazina ga Inidito Muhimbise gasha kwa Dan Basibye.
Webare Dan Basibye kandi twentongerayo irakaryitu ahariyo gumnyambabazi wena owakwasa kwataraho umukikurogwe akabasa kujanjaba umutabani oyatujangu n'watwire na murebera na nekayona deka tugumizemu baba Kristayo mu district ya Bushenyi baraburwo kurekeraho za Rwekwaso na no kukomera batahi baba mabare ngwabo kuba eco kuba nyense nco rkwija kusharura
abantu kubaharwa kwetwazaje byagambwe rizoba hamugazo busaba dikone bwacyo izoba Church of Uganda mu district ya Bushenyi ahakwakira Reverend Kenneth Atkwase ngacureti wo mwanyogo wabanza no kubateza rero nabwanyuma Kasima Ruhanga ahabwe byamurabize munekaye
wata obro muchitara waza kukora muno kora gatakuri nokora muchi kushana oya kiyemu nuwe omukazi ko kumutweka usha na kuzarira bugeraje tokanzarira busha ni wabutire busha nobwo
ngatu musimira ahago kituri kandi tumusimana na hago kitari babasa kumusima abo bakwira abana abo akurinzere wakumuri no mwisyo bana bo garko musime ahago cyotari mushobora abantu bari mu kasasi no barya ubundi byo kuyatateka tekirwe kugira ngo abantu baruhanga
oguyaba Nasima Ruhanga kandi arkwakirwa mu kanisa ya Kizobo mbutongole eyashabira abakristayo kwendeza nebirungi
nimbayereza message y'ukuya mu bazungu besu
hanga ababimeye tugambira ngo mbanze musharuka amabaranga no kukirura kwe dere ibindi byona byakwiyongeraho.
Reverend Kenneth Atwase yasima ruhanga abo kwakirwa mu kanisa mu Butongore.
Nkabiburo kwegamba musimera mukama akwemba bazeneze runiviro simaranga bw'amagara simaranga gukereza abana namwe n'abana bashimira umugonga batwina busande simaranga kira maka
rero mugandi makuru ku rugashema abikiriza abasha bwo kongera kuhimbisa mukama ahabwo kuba naho bari nawe. Ebyagambwa kanisa ya St Mark Rukondo mu Kitagata Shema ayo mukoro gwaba no kusima kwa kwaya.
The primary purpose ya kuza ukisho ngara bakatiri mungaro bakagera chwa kashingo bakuja the primary purpose of choir is to glorify God. Hallelujah. Is to glorify God. Beloved, no kisa hangachi ejinisa
kwaya ya St Mark Rukondo Kitagata Shema ekakoma mukago na kwaya ya Urban Archdiaconry eyishakane ya St Emmanuel busibo Church of Uganda obwe bine byenderwa byo kwetungura no kuhimbisa mukama.
Mwendo mukuburenjiri katandukana karunore yangu no kuburenjiri kuba kwine vibe ya kweshonga kandi kweshonga na itine bitone byutu byo kweshonga hati mwene nene uko kureba no bataye kuzahera nabunchirigira kugira ngo financial support yo mwino kumwemerire mwakiriye kimwategateka kugira ngo mwina kutera mwatayira abashikiriza
banja bakwaya ukimanye mbiwo yiwanga kwirira kae ariko kweshongora marakana wayeshongora limwe mutari wawe yateshongwire riri no bishongora riri echeshongora tikikaza kumaraka bona ukimanye
mwongere kuvayibu bokorera bagambaje vayibu mutakaye kizuze kanisa yituje gukora kurura mu yarakira omo praise and worship. Praise and worship is the main part of the service.
Abebembezi ba kwaya ya busibo hamwe n'eyishaka Urban basima ruhanga abwo mukago gubari hagati gashakwa Michael Twakire na Abraham Mugansi.
Mwebare abanyamakuru bito muri bwitwa TV Stumurunji tukusima aho kuturebera hona kandi webare na nokutorana kureba TV West Studio makuru agacenshiri kunka utwicize tumuri ukacentugarukana makuru agandi
uzi ahabyo bogese
nubukucibwaho at Avance International University.
Shemererwa wayimo kukareba umwana wawe karonkazo ukare koko yawe kare motoka yawe hati reba binyumwire motoka yeze amatama nambeshonga kureba uko kora agize mu wabo harimo umukora za marongo te mukamiziki kajya tushemererwe shemererwa we nukazo mwazo bishinyero basakuzana zinaho ariko shemererwa ukugenda ukabata ukaba professor mwingi wari utakoze kushemererwa ukaba bishop kanyi mtubaza bari bishop wari atakushikaho kagera avuga kungurwa mu bigo bora no kugera ku mwanje bero cyara kuri kumane bishanga tikubiha mu kumwanya kwa nimenyesho muri cya biratana bigahimanya nimba bisiki marukazi wanye shika tuyubaka cyayi kamba shabe shemererwa actually umango kushemererwa nako numbazi okushemererwa numbazi utakashire kuno yo wa Medicare waba shemererwa hariho ubundi ibyo kwasa kutahiko
obuhabuzi ahabyo bwegese
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Ebyokwomeka byonjera koroba tankwanjulire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byokwomekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles, Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks, max pans, interlocking bricks, otebwe partitioning blocks obumoli buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent, Torino, Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii, Malta, Double Pompeii mwena bombe china ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakoza technology rispiria echora byombe chesi changale kabendera ya Uganda bashangali mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole Crazy Limited tujende twombeke.
Looking for a university that will shape your future and your character? Join Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing. Applications are now open for August intake. Enroll for PhDs, Masters, Bachelors, Diplomas, Certificates, and Higher Education Access Certificates, and the Faculty of Law, Faculty of Health Sciences, Faculty of Education, Arts and Media Studies, Faculty of Business, Economics, and Governance, plus Faculty of Agriculture, Environmental Sciences, and Technology. Students can access government loans, sports scholarships, Professor Rukare Education Scholarships, and Fairway Scholarships. Apply online at apply.bsu.ac.ug. Call 0707 200 703. Bishop Stewart University. Our God reigns.
Manager, ogito wagito. Konka batumu kidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumuna na wiring ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Byo ni shara cake tukaza kunyumba.
Na wampensi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nyukushekerera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka. Oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Skylight Hotel eresora uhereza bwo muremba muri Mbarara City ahibaru kwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex shumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi echenyanja muchemo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kande cyo kunywa nikigenderaho.
Hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera notu mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga notu mushanje notu mukaga 36
Otwiro inechetengo chokushoma bunasi obuzarisa Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa bunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery niza kwera ishomereri nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi ari Mbarara Community Hospital ija oyetunjiro bukugu okwandika beje basya kure ni kugenda omisha hishomero
okumenya birakiraho tera noti mushanju munana mushanju 50 abrinina nkaga ugambe na principal.
Ivrin Health Training Institute, Mbarara City, improving community health.
Unashikamba neza kutwara abantu aheru zirinka hikanara. Gachaina we.
Yaba tandati ne.
Agandi mu. Uri yori yokonto kogumire nishabo nyambe. Nyene chene maweki nyenda kukitwara aheru. Banje ngo hari abantu
arekeraho. Abo kutwara abantu ahera bese Rwanda beta bahezi recruitment expert re barari ya Amazon building mwijemba twari.
Tutware.
Bito nyeri.
Ontware ahori kwenda.
Itwe aba Haze recruitment expert nutuzaguza myaka 10 ombohereza ubwo kutwara abantu aheru irabambara nsangwa Amazon building not mushanju ina not emwe not office zito za Kampala nsangwa rubo wa opposite na Kwarte supermarket esomu not mushanju ine mirundena itane mirundena ninga not mushanju ina noti emwe 235 mukaga Haze recruitment expert go Haze
go better
kashati wagendo
Nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gworobi Rosefo nikangara konkobya mashamera nogwa mutindo Rosefo insi yokushemera kwanje
okuraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje umugongo takubyamaje no imukora ukushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa Rosefo ndwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogo farati guruho
ndahati nyenchakare nebire byombisho Rosefo insi yokushemera kwanje
Rosefo insi yebiroto birungi.
Kuruka yuko mbutumwa bw'abashubuzi twagumizamo na namakuru agacencwire ageshweka citu kabiri inkuyanje y'abantu beteranire ahakanisa ya St James Nyamirama Church of Uganda umu district ya Kanungu ahi emugogo y'abagore 58 bona bagisurwe mukono gumwe ombagora bagisurwe habire harumo umugurusu w'emyaka nshanju na mushanju kandi nawe wotire mpetanya munyonyuwe w'emyaka nshanju ey'obukuru
shururo mukazuwe
abagore bari kushika 58 bagisurwe Reverend Canon Dr. Duncan Mugumyajwe kire Bishop w'obureberezi wa Kinkizi Diocese Right Reverend Dan Zoreka
oshemererwe umuhaga okora mushurure wa mutereza mama ebo mushija ya murebese
omukuburira kwe Reverend Canon Duncan Mugumya ashabira abashweri no gukora namane barecho kusisira obwiro marwa kandi ngo abashija bagume bamanyane n'abakazi babo omubyentasya n'emico n'emitwaro zo mu maka gabo
masimista karuhanga kwaruhone yawusha amiziga yayizana agabugana hariya nikiyukatukine naho kuzeito kuzatika kwamanya nikagende cyo n'izuba oremirwa kikirikana masomo kagendo katahamizi okakatitaka okarondefuka okatimba ka toilet okatamwe mingo okiboriyo no homa omukazi akaleta mizi akwa mu yo muntu omwe okatemitaka omukazi akaleta miza ifo mukakora itaka mukombe kakayigo kanyu omujenya kija okakarabya wofufu no mukazi akaleta bafa kakuletera mukarabya eka owaherese yakwija tegeke rumwe bagiti
bamwe abagisirwe bagizire ngo bayere batine masiko gona go kugitwa hamwe n'abakundwa babo ekibasimire Ruhanga
nasima mukama kinantina masiko ngyakikaho kireba ndajarembe
15 na gumute n'amanyamya katiteye nazi natagira umutine basabutoko kanadi
umukoro mazima gwabonera kandi twabaje
kajiraho abo kutwata mukono ka Canon Edmund kandi yaje kutya twata mukono bwene cyaturetera kutubasisa okubasta abagore bitu okugira ngo bageitwe abwe byetengo biri kwetengwa nkebeta nebindi byona ubundo ku registeringo mu bitabo mu government nebyo byona yatwatiraho
abagore abo 59 bantu baruko musabadiko no bwanyemerama mu kanisa ya Nyakashure nko uburiso bwa Mashaku kandi uburiso bwa Nyamirama ha center hamwe no burisa ubwa Rushaka twasima Ruhanga munonga kurenga abantu babasa kweta umurgeji katujeke hururu abo kushemeza ubushwere.
Ebyo bikiryaho Bishop w'obureberezi bwa Kinkizi Diocese Right Reverend Dan Zoreka atire habaronde 24 mikono kanisa ya Nyakikoni Chapel ayishomero rya Nyakikoni Secondary School omugombora ya Nyakikoni mu district ya Kanungu.
And all the other church work. I will do so, God being my helper. I will do so, God being my helper. I will do so, God being my helper. Confirm and strengthen, O Lord, your servant with your Holy Spirit. Empower her for your service. In the name of God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit. Amen. Confirm and strengthen, O Lord, your servant with your Holy Spirit. Empower her for your service.
Bishop Dan Zoreka atandikire no kubyaro muto mu mbuga y'ishomereri nkakamanyiso ko koreka beji okubashemeye kulinda ebyo buhangwa omukwegesa kwe Bishop Dan Zoreka abwira bejo kuba mamanzi no kuhamera omukwikiriza Ruhanga.
Umuhame uba bakurasa ba Kristo abamazima abesigwa abaraze kurwanira kanisa. Hamira irizoba maza kutandika kumanuza hageza ya mukamwitwira sacrament of Eucharist over communion mwenu manyi mwakura kimucari aba abulira
amakuraga gashakwa Hweza Wilfred.
Webare Hweza Wilfred omu district ya Kanungu nko muringo gumwe ogukwatira abantu abakuzire omyaka abahangu ombyo bujanjabi ubwe bebemberwe Professor Amon Agaba bigwire hirwaro area Medcare and Diagnostic omuri Stock Farm Sale Nyarubungo aho mu Rembo urwambara kandi rwa rero kurugera Professor Amon Agaba nibenda gukora abantu abayihwira amasuku.
Omukoro gwo kwiguraho irwaro rya Medcare and Diagnostic Center gwikiroho abareberezi batakushana abashubuzi abebembezi ba government kurwo mu Rembo rwambara na heru yaho kandi umugenyi mukuru Aberal Martin Mahanji omwezi worukura Uganda Investment Authority.
Moni webari mnonga kubasa kutweta tukawitnessinga such a grand opening of such a humongous investment.
Neza kuba erukufocusinga mnonga ahantu wari zindi zikuchira teganisa mnonga zibakweta non-communicable diseases. Ezo zitakugamba kungazi kutwita kwe.
Professor Amon Agaba oyebembiremo omurimo gwabombeka AG nagirango irwarere rigenderere kugarra amatsiko ombarwire na mnonga abo abine myaka ya bukuru
taho amahano mununga nekikweta screening and early diagnosis kwena ngo umuntu yaza kuro kuyashasha umuntu ogwa bayi n'umugisha kubanza kuceberwa kwena ngo endwara yaza kugira hiyaturuka tubase kugikwata kare kandi wakwata endwara kare no yaharezo complications zinagamba no yahare ndwara umuntu kumushasha munonga kandi aragurwa bucinyamwe nk'indwara nka cancer indwara nka pressure indwara nka shukari zaceberwa zikakwatwa kare kandi zikaragurwa kare to avoiding complications umuntu agumaine amagara marungi
umanya akanga kuzaheru during the brain drain yabireho namuna mubuza yajya no ranga kwara yapere obwenge bwo ku caringira abantu kamba bakanga mbere caringira abantu indi kwija kubahebukaho umuri Uganda
abantu babiri ikintu kitwarebo musinga bukuru nibera kugiho haro research they are actually working seriously for them. They handle aging. They're senses. They are studying, no longer studying the DNAs, deoxyribonucleic acid. They have gone on.
irwaro rya Midcare Diagnostic Center nerishangwa Omsel ya Stock Farm Nyarubungo Ankuto yambara ibanda aho muremu rwambara City abahango umbikwate no kuragura no kujanjabe abashubuzi nabenzi ba government abeciro mu mwanyugo baraganise konja kwatanisa nirwareri omuno konja gamba na government okureba nko kubayongera okushajika omwanyugo abwa TV West ndisenyomo Gideon aho murembo rwambara
webare senyumo Gideon cyestongore cy'empaguheze cha Red Cross bombe ciramiza garwe cunda agarukuza kwera impunje ziri kuri ngo metwari 15 mu camp y'impunji ya Nachivaru mu district y'Isingiro amizaga gombe cigwena no bushagiki okurga umushitongore cy'ensiyona cha Red Cross
okumara obwire buringwa empunje z'urukuturo omukyanga kya Rubondo hamwe n'ebyange byehinguririza omu kampu y'empunje ya Nakivale okutunga amaizi marungi gatwire gari amino ga ruguru abahata batungira akamwenya hamatama bwanyuma y'ekitongore kya Red Cross okubombekera amaizi ga Rwecunda.
So congratulations once again. Where government is, the Red Cross will always be there. Where others are not, the Red Cross will always be there, because that's the mandate that was given to us by the government.
10 different needs, 10 cultural beliefs. That's how Nakivale presents itself. But we are in charge. Our work as Office of the Prime Minister is to create a conducive working space for all our partners. And I think we have done that, isn't it, partners? Clap for ourselves.
Minister w'ihango w'ebigwereza hamwe n'empunji Sam Engora nuwakurira omukoro gwo kwigura hamizaga kandi asimira omurimo gukozerwa aha.
This water project is more than infrastructure. It is a testament to Uganda's innovative spirit of our unwavering partnership with development allies and humanitarian actors. The unique feature of this plan reflects cutting-edge environmental safeguard, technology, innovation, and community-centered design.
Now we have the solar panels. At least we are sure that the sustainability and meeting the climate smart requirements are being met. Then we don't have to cry. You know, EDC hasn't given us power. We don't have to cry because of some war in Iran. We can't get diesel.
Amizaga negateekateekwa kuhwera empunju z'orukuhingura omutwaro gumwe n'ecweka omu kampu y'empunje ya Nakivale.
To address the challenges of receding water level at Lake Nakivale. The project introduced pioneering water source management solution, including intake, ponds protected by carbon and hydraulic challenges, ensuring water security despite environmental inflation. The facility operational infrastructure advanced, backwalls, tanks, slot, filtration, beds, and automated chlorical system.
Icundo ry'amizi nirije kuba nicunda amizi agaruka ikarataze mutwari 11 buri izova ahabwa TV West ndera akiza.
Webale ela akiza twazagaruka tumureho tugaruka n'amakuru agando takargaho.
Tyson mwiroko mugende mwirukanze nko kweri ya mugirete kase tuyiroko mukagwatagana nuko akajiba kwata Robert aza kututwara ugiteka yo munanko Yesu biji kana nimwe ngone yo kubaga hati MTN resara kazanano baketa ko kuko liko kugira ngo buri nkoko kwe kuzugo mu kasese hagati ya saye mwena saye ibiri ukagura voice bundles asimu yawe then yo MTN nekwereza menatsi ezabu sezinde zo koze sizo baryona
gurende chika rwagati ya shahe mwe na shahe ibiri zakasheshe rero tungende chikisha tuzabusha ezo kutera ba MTN izo baryona nyegasta emwe not star ibi emwe hash rero tungende chika zawe zabusha buri izoba MTN twina hamwe okurizana kwitu tukuruho kizibera MTN.
nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero lyonka ericyasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aha rurengo rwa certificate na diploma diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu library eyomurembe computer z'ekika cy'ahiguru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'ubwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma ey'okutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma go kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isinjiro odaka kiro mutahuni ya kaberebere okumanye birukukiraho note mushanju ibiri kaga na mushanju ashatu nibiri kaga nemu Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
Family no buri kimwe kutangira bw'ubutur kumara hamwe rukundo n'ebijiste by'umutano kunga kutukurwa abantu bitu amaganya go kufirwa nagakira kuyunuka amaganya ga senti mbona shonga bakimire n'imsa ku 2012 ekuretire nkora ya humura ejine nkora ya senti eyo kwera na family yawe umbwire bubikirize ahamtwari biyungiye kushura mu mwaka humura nekwereza ukwezi bwa senti wafira urukundo wawe abana bawe batari kurenga bana ningiwe memba wenyine ukushaka kwawe nukubaho umushayi 12 zonka bamemba n'abatungo ukwezi bwa senti izirakwera ukushendekiza umuntu wawe ukustya miliyoni 5 tayira mataji kabiri n'imsako 2012 Obulimanda Kimoni Kampala Rugaga Mbarara BSU Hoima Garama Kabuyanda Kamwenje ninga Mbarara main branch rero yuguraho account ubase kwegitankora ya humura kumenya kuciraho tera note mushaje 82 11 29 kinana mushanju Millennium Sacco 2012 Limited ekuretire humura munywano wa umusasi.
Alo.
Ese mwami mukasa.
Mutyaneyo.
Yono broka.
Yenze broka wa mayumba.
Bangambye ne nyumba za mwenungi ko.
Kitufu. Oyagala yabisenga bimeka.
Ngabisatu.
Ebeyi bagigambye.
Abangambye saa 5.
Deda 7 zali nyamuko.
Yidwachi.
Anti danji je tusigisa ya mulembe. Anti nefali ya kitundu yalinya.
Musigisachi.
Global Paints.
Mutia.
Kusiringi. Tukosa Global Mat. Ate munda ne tukosa Global Silk Vinairo.
Singa kwetaga wabweru.
Wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion.
Owa. Kusiga je musiga. Ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Guli umite.
Global Paint, a reliable product.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
And that's it for today. Till the next episode.
Omuliro nguwulira mulingo mutima kukankana like drums. Kalakata, kalakata, enendungu yakusabula. We gonna do free your fire, free your fire, free your fire.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange kumulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire echo shuwa. Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Kane twagumizamu n'amakuru umushweka citu ecaha muheru akaruruka LC wana ka Kigando akabire karemerwe kuterwa mu district eyisinziro abebyo kwerinda babitahiremu katiyo katerwa mu businje kandi umwanya ugu utwirengumanywa nkacanga bukama.
Abantu nibagirango akaruruka baka LC1 kakataburwa chairman wa NRM abwa town council bwanyuma yo kuhindurwa wa electoral commission akateza akaruruka kishobo. Ogaruka makarura aka police bire rya mwanyogo.
Bakije mu cyaro mpeki gacabushaho bakajya police tokaza itoka yegerayo. Buriyaha no kambanze yengereze kureba DPC. Iyo tureba ko rahawa mushango. Ni impura abantu ngabo mu cyaro shango bariyo. Turahamwe.
Utaruga umurayi.
Maze stuina masiko biratine kibina asingira Rosette wa NRM nabururu 82 ari 58.
Rosette I know bururu 58 then Moses I know bururu 82.
Cyabire nkaha kabamu kurwana barebo bururu bwo mu mugongo abantu baguruka bazomura indijo habaho kurwana ukubara kurema bayusha.
So nabani nyanda kusima Uganda police ahabo bumwe ahabo burungi bwihanga ry'u Uganda kandi okongera kumanyisa abantu ndemu kura ngo police ngaha waje approachinga kunjoka digambere nsonga hansonga neiza kuyamba
gasha kwa Ruth Nwamanya.
Webare Ruth Nwamanya bo bakuru bamashomeraga primary muri Mbarara City n'abahiga government okongera ubushagici ubweruhereza amashomero aga UPE ngo kiraretere batungura umutindo gw'ibye mukono na no kwera beji ngo muringo gumwe ogwo kurwana sibura ryemero.
Okwiga gavumenti kongera habikwato omu mashomero ga primary n'obwishomero rya Mbarara Parents Primary School rukushangwa muri Kaceka ribire n'rutongozaho ekiro cy'amashomo g'ebyemikono aho abakuru borekere kwenkoreji neija kwera beji yabeshagirwe kurungi.
Jesus is the reign. The more we give, the more we grow.
Abakugwabo mbyo bwegese nibagira ngo ihangane riteganisa bw'abeji abarukushohora batine bukugu ahabwo kugira ngo tubara kubangurwa kurungi baba bakiri bato.
Just kujya uza yishomero utakumanya y'abantu okubaki abinja abana ne bashome mirimo batakumanye kubara heze ekirabarugiremo babara kumanya hate kiri ya murembe babara kumanya okubara kitandikeje so ito ntwenda ngabana bitikurugo omunasari bimuke kubamanyisa okomurimo gwo kugenda.
Jacqueline Tushemerirwe orumukuru w'ishomero rya Mbara Parents Primary School we nashaba gavumenti okongera obushaki obwe kuhereza amashomero ga UPE.
Nka UPE schools UPE iba kutuhereza sincerely ninche munonga teketarinjira area zone zitwetaga equipment zitwetaga hand zone so ntushaba government yayireho kugira ngo abazire bata contributing bata ka sente entire be government then ronde ways zera facilitating ishomero
twine bya hand zone ebye mukono harimo abana bo kwenda kuba basirikare ntubatandaka kare creativity abana nabamako ikorera mbundu.
For me, I want to become a doctor to protect many people, those who are sick, protect people's life.
Kare bwe obukama bwatoro bwatongoza ihuru eyo kundu zibiciro ry'ebitabona Archive Football Public Library okwenda ngo kagaruka usenko kucyabire kirikare anze hureji obukama nubuza kundoza ekizimbe cha library ci dero batekeme ebitabo ebisya nangwana nebindi
kumara emyaka n'ebisibo Fort Portal Public Library kozere chango mnongo mukwera abantu bo mchanga cha toro kushoma bakacondoza hamwe n'ebindi byinji barukujeyambisa konke byona birukugenda misho library je karuho bwa Rwanda na RJ kandi ekinchirebe kirahama batagarukutura siringeri hi kugwera bashomi ebisika bishatagurukiro tiriho n'amadarasa gakoreka rwatunga karuha kare kandi je library katanduko umwaka gwa rukumo rwenda nkaganeshatu
nkakolesa library ati nindora myaka eyindo nimanye twine kuyanga abantu bitangaje abakozisize ikintu kintu kakwa twarugiranizo tukagamba obukama abantu kintu kikaba kitagarukamo bakikora kandi mukukigaraho kikonyesha kupata munsoho yawo wenga hari umuntu kugamba ngo kankoragane n'abanywanyi banga abaheru kankoragane n'abantu abandi abankumanya ebitongole binkumanya owerange na leta owe kitabo na kireta so omugaso gobukama kurobinga rundi kusaka
ogoraba no handika ibtontomi goraba no handika inganiki goraba no handika infomu iza ofire ko kama bwakoro no tugenda no kusugaho enamba zisimu ha library hano izo here public library no obamanyise iki cyini cyo handikira akwa abantu bengi muna bahandikire content rundi ebintu bikwakatura hiru bitwa abantu batamanyi activity cyo kubanki promotinga rundi nki korakoraniza abahandiki abantu abahandiki ibintu bikwakatura umwize murete ibintu byanyu muhandikira hano ibintu cyo kwantu bahikiye roho kutegekeye roho
amakama ingi hano to abantu abene library ezindi bayisenkurubo ezindi bakazene listing abandi basomi bene bitabo byabo bato bakumanya bitabo byangi umubantu rundi rugira munsi runati ngurusiri rundiki so kutunga section imbere baragenda muri library bakamanyiribo so no kuvuga biro kama nso kikora nsache bone bijya hano nikubwira urihikana ito twine section yige tujye nturwana kwa tulitwara for now beke karamshelu zanyu byahwirwe bijya abantu bafso
Ronald Mteje choro minister w'ubweje sombo kama nagira ngo nibija kwatanisa na government kureba ngo library yatunge bitabe bigamurembo kucira munonge ibyo birukwata hansho mesenske ya competence based curriculum okwenda ngo abeje bakaganyurwa mu cango
garuke mu competence based curriculum ngo abana batandike kusoma kusirikira ha skills values denoko ati ebitabu ebyo bonani ndambara nasanga ngo twetaga kukoragana na government ako ebitabu ebyo bigabira busa government ebigabira busa ebitabu ebyo bya competence based arone ekigambo not for sale government of Uganda so tujya kukwataniza na library yenu okusaba ebitabu nuko abana ba secondary abokuba na university nazo saze nibaziragire kandi icyo mugisa mungi ni lecturer university neita baturagia university kugoinga to competence based
ibitabu nkebya abana ba secondary bingi tubine na muno mune bya competence based curriculum so timanyire difference okungayo bundi ka donation ndiki undi umuntu akatukonyera akatuletera physical books undi sente zikwetagwa then nekyombeko nacho nichetaga total renovation right from the roof the ceilings, the windows, locks zo kuhindura ezindi tizicyakora, izindi nzikora bitu ziri safe muno.
Amakuru gashakwa Jonan Tsingwire.
Webare Jonan Tsingwire, reka tuze omakuru agebyemizano wemezano eyempaka ezekikope cha Ankole ezazanwa izoberi time ya Bushenyi mwena na timu ya district ya Ibanda nizo zarabaho okuza omuzaka maririzo ninga shi finals ezo mwakogu ezirije kuzanwa esande erikwija. Bushenyi yarabaho bwanyuma yo kusinga ntungamo na goli na aharibiri omuza penalty kandi baba Ibanda bashohoza abaciruhura na goro 3 aharina nazo za penalty bwanyuma yemizano yombi okugwa chikazi ahampira eyazanurwa hacishayi echa Bushenyi main stadium. Kare empaka ezakamaririzo nzija kuzanwa hizuba herya Sunday ebiro mwenda ebyokwezi okwo kwa munana achayi echakabwohe mu district ya Shema. Twagumiza muna makuru gandi timu ya Kitara FC yatandika kurunje empaka za FUFA Super 8 bwanyuma eyo kugutura aba polisi na goals ina ahari 0 omuzano gwazanirwa achayi echana Kivu.
Just deliver the corner. Police against Bedia Kamba. Seposhia referee awards Police Football Club a penalty. Innocent Engedo who has been brought all down into the box area. Bedia Kamba. And Bedia Kamba, another good save from the goalkeeper. Diving the right hand side, just keeping it out. Chibiri Gemeti, Mayanja trying to go in for the second, but it's cleared. Keep at that clean sheet. Keeper diving the right way. Medi Chibirike. On the Uganda Cup, best goalkeeper this year, denies Bedia Kamba a chance to score. And this FUFA Super 8.
Kare amakuru agacencuire agongo twabasa kuseho ahabwe cireki kandi abanaga kuseho ndi Elias Ritugusa hamwe na mutahi wanje Lois Gavor mu rwo bonero itwendeze kurara kuronje.
Eshaha zabisha tuzechiro na
use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
Na hati gumano kozesa ABC Dent na Fresher kwenda ngu akanwa kawe kagumeni kahumuraje izoba rion. ABC Dent na Fresher nibikuhereza kawo karungi munonga yejumbiro mbazi ogwa ABC Dent na Fresher dero oyiyongera kusheko mbantu otine kwetina.
Mushana Productions nekushyikibwaho
Chituzi yenywere Chituzi ohurema twenje aha mumiro nikikorwa ku rugo mu Chituzi cya Shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjoro bunuzi hamwe no mutindo
Omuprogaramu egi obuhabuzi bw'omuzire n'obwetagwa
Mushana Productions. Muchome